This is the modern digital X-ray machine, one of medicine's greatest inventions. It allows doctors to see broken bones and hidden diseases without making a single cut. Inside this machine, thousands of precision components work together in perfect harmony. Every day, this remarkable machine helps doctors save countless lives. But producing one requires extraordinary engineering. Let's step inside Japan's extraordinary X-ray machine production facility. Every X-ray machine begins with carefully selected industrial materials. Automated systems retrieve the structural steel.
Every steel plate is automatically inspected for precision. Precision aluminum is prepared for production.
Copper materials prepare the future electrical systems. Sensitive electronics remain protected before production. Every material is delivered to its dedicated production department. The first fabrication stage is ready to begin. A robotic loader positions the first steel plate. The steel is automatically aligned before cutting. The first precision cuts begin. Computer-controlled lasers shape every structural component. Robotic arms separate the finished steel components. Unused steel is returned for recycling. Every cut edge is smoothed for perfect accuracy. The cut steel enters the precision forming department. The first precision bend shapes the steel component. Multiple precision bends create the machine's structural frame. Smaller support components are formed with the same precision.
Every formed component is automatically sorted.
Every component is thoroughly cleaned before fabrication continues.
The structural frame is positioned inside a precision welding fixture. The steel frame is secured for robotic welding.
Industrial robots create perfectly consistent welds.
The frame rotates automatically for the next welds. Every structural joint is permanently bonded. The welded joints are automatically cleaned. Every weld is digitally inspected. Critical surfaces are precision ground. The finished frame is verified for perfect alignment.
The welded frame is thoroughly cleaned before surface finishing.
The cleaned frame is completely dried. The steel surface is prepared for protective coating. The prepared surface is cleaned one final time. The frame enters the automatic coating line. A protective powder coating is applied evenly. The protective coating is automatically inspected. Heat permanently cures the protective finish. The protective coating is gradually cooled.
Every finished surface is carefully inspected. Protective film shields the finished surfaces.
The completed frame awaits final assembly.
Next comes the heart of every X-ray machine. Specialized borosilicate glass is prepared for the X-ray tube.
The glass cylinder is cut to precise dimensions.
The glass edges are polished to perfection.
High-purity ceramic insulators are precisely machined.
The tungsten target is precision machined. Every target is verified with laser precision.
The rotor shaft is machined with extreme precision.
The rotor is balanced for perfectly smooth rotation. The cathode components are assembled with microscopic precision.
The rotating anode is assembled. The ultra-high vacuum chamber is prepared.
The rotating anode is installed inside the glass envelope.
The cathode is precisely aligned with the anode. The glass envelope is permanently sealed.
The tube is evacuated to an ultra-high vacuum.
The vacuum is stabilized before sealing.
The vacuum is permanently sealed inside the tube.
The protective housing is prepared. The completed X-ray tube is installed into its protective housing. Lead shielding safely contains unwanted radiation.
Insulating oil provides cooling and electrical protection.
Vacuum processing removes trapped air from the insulating oil. The protective housing is permanently sealed. The protective housing is permanently sealed. Every housing is tested for perfect sealing.
The completed tube undergoes electrical testing. The completed X-ray tubes are ready for final assembly. The collimator housing is precision machined. Lead blades are machined for precise radiation control.
Every lead blade is smoothly finished.
The radiation blades are assembled with micron precision. Servo motors control the collimator blades. Every blade movement is automatically tested. The collimator is optically aligned.
The completed collimators are ready for final assembly.
The detector housing is machined from solid aluminum.
Every machined surface is carefully finished. Every housing is measured with exceptional precision.
The scintillator panel is prepared for assembly.
The digital sensor array is precisely installed.
Signal processing electronics are installed.
The detector cooling system is assembled.
A protective glass layer seals the detector. Every detector is individually calibrated. Every imaging pixel is verified for uniform performance. The completed detector passes final inspection. The completed detectors are ready for final assembly. The high-voltage generator assembly begins. The high-voltage transformer is installed. High-voltage capacitors are precisely installed. The generator electronics are assembled. High-voltage cables are routed through protected pathways.
The generator cooling system is assembled.
Every electrical connection is automatically verified. The completed generator passes its final electrical tests. The finished frame enters final assembly.
The vertical motion column is installed.
Precision guide rails are installed.
The carriage assembly is mounted onto the guide rails. The carriage assembly is mounted onto the guide rails.
The rotation drive system is installed. The completed X-ray tube is installed. The digital detector is mounted opposite the X-ray tube. The collimator is installed onto the X-ray tube. Power and communication cables are routed. The control console is installed.
The completed machine is ready for calibration.
The operating software is installed. Every movement is calibrated with laser precision.
The X-ray beam is precisely calibrated.
Image quality is thoroughly verified. The complete system undergoes final functional testing. The X-ray machine is approved for delivery. The finished machine is carefully prepared for shipment. From Japan, these life-saving X-ray machines are delivered worldwide.